Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now today, doing a single item, and it is in this rather plain and boring looking brown box. What could it be? Well, you've seen from the thumbnail. It is one of these, what they call cordless electric scissors, but I wouldn't call it scissors. I thought scissors have to be, but maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, I've seen these on various, I mean, I watch a lot of unboxing channels. It's kind of, I don't just do it because I enjoy doing it myself. I enjoy watching other people do it as well. Especially like, I watch some higher end channels that, I do the budget stuff. But some of the channels I do occasionally do Temu stuff on AliExpress. And a few of them have had these lately. One couldn't get it to work properly, and the other two could. So I thought, you know what, it might actually make putting the recycling out, especially the cardboard, a bit more fun. Because nobody likes putting the recycling out, really, do we? But we have to do it. Okay. So I went for this one. You got a little light at the front there. Not that you'd want to do this in the dark. I mean, it's a spinning blade. When you pull the handle in, battery indicator. It's currently saying fully charged, and then to actually, I'm guessing you push that in, and then and there you go. So it won't activate until you push that in. It's like a safety switch. Now, do I need this box? Well, no, because I'm keeping this. If it works, I'm keeping it, because as I say, it's going to be putting the recycling that's a bit more fun. I wonder if it cuts glass jars. Doubt it. So, okay. Oh, it does what it says it does what it says it does. No, it does what it says it. It does what it says it does. Yeah, it does what it says it does. Oh my god. I've not had my coffee yet this morning. I do apologise. Ah! No, joking. So yeah, I mean, it seems to work. Battery is now saying 2 bars. Which is a bit of a worry because I actually had this on charge overnight. I have fully charged this. And it's now saying it's already down to amber after cutting literally that. So battery life may be an issue. But we'll see, because it is recycling day tomorrow. So I will make sure I use this on either today after work or tomorrow after work, depending on what time I finish. And it's still light because it is getting dark earlier now. I'll get in the garden with this, and we will do a bit of on the old cardboard in the recycling box and see if we can get it down a bit. But I mean, it feels pretty well made. As I say, it is heavy, it is plastic. But it's heavy, and the good thing is about these discs, you can buy these replacement discs, the actual cutting blade or cutting disc, on AliExpress and Temu really cheap. I think I saw a pack of 8 for like something like £2 something. So yeah, when it gets blunt, and it will, you can replace the discs. Well, so I just got home from work, and I thought I'll give this thing, it is actually recycling day, it's the day to put the bins out. I want to see whether this will make putting out the recycling a little bit more fun. Can it handle all this? Can it get it down? And who keeps putting glass jars in the wrong one? Dickheads. Yeah. Oh, that was 2. Shoebox. Filming. Yeah, I know. Filming. So? Well, because before it gets dark, it's recycling day. So if I don't do it today, it's got to build up again. Don't need to do them. Just going to get the nails done. No problem with the cardboard at all. Pretty good. It's made a difference. But what I want to know is, can it do proper thick cardboard like this? This is way too big to put out with the recycling. They simply won't take it. You've got to take it to the tip, which I don't mind, but if it can do it, then I could get this out as well. Not easily. It will do it also. Now this was fully charged. The battery is on red. So just doing these, one recycling bin worth of cardboard, and the battery's died. Yeah, it's dead. Okay, so we have used it on the recycling, and it did do a good job on most of the boxes, like, you know, small cardboard, even slightly thicker cardboard. It does a good job. And I thought the battery died while I was doing it, because I tried to cut through that really thick, strengthened corrugated cardboard, and it did struggle with that. I expected it to. But it just stopped working, and I thought the batteries died because it was on red. No, I charged it up, and it still wouldn't function. It turned out that the disc, the cutting disc, had got wedged on the metals, the actual guide, which is why it couldn't spin. I was doing that, and it was clicking, like pushing the button in, click, 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 click. But it wasn't actually moving. Well, once I actually got a knife in there and unstuck it, so we say, it started working again. So, as you can see, it is still working. Yeah, I think that extra thick cardboard was just too much for it. this sort of cardboard, this sort of box, which, you know, at the end of the day, if you wanted to make your cardboard smaller, you can rip it up. You know, you really don't need to buy one of these. You don't need it, but is it a bit more fun doing that? Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is more, well, you know, it's easier. And especially, I will tell you where it did come in handy, when a box has had tape around it repeatedly, because trying to rip it where the tape is, it's hard to rip it. The tape stretches, but it don't rip. That just cuts through it. So there are benefits to this. It also says it cuts material. Now, I ain't really got anything. We've just taken stuff to the bloody recycling. There's nothing I can really try it on. What about one of the little nylon-y bags that came with, I think it came with the, that might have come with the little thumb camera, or one of them. But I don't need it. I've got loads of these. Let's see if it will cut this. Well, okay. Didn't kind of expect that. But yeah. I guess I'm not using that bag anymore. You know, I didn't actually I expected it to jam. I didn't expect it to cut. That cut through that really easily. So this will cut material. Okay, so now it's become a little bit more useful. Hey guys, I've just come upstairs. Just gone through my drawers because they need sorting out anyway. I've got a lot of stuff that I don't wear anymore, including this yellow t-shirt that is covered in stains. I used it for painting. These shorts that have got a tear in them, and these my Pokemon pyjama shorts that it's basically all frayed, and yeah. So I want to see if this will. Dog's whining outside the dogs. I've shut the dog. I'm in the bedroom again because it's Sunday. I just want to see if this will actually cut fabric like it says it will. It's fully charged. Fully charged. So let's see if it will cut a basic t-shirt. What I want to do, well, it cut that, but I want to try and hold it up because so you can see. Absolutely no issue at all. It will cut fabric. What about the shorts and with the elasticated waistband? Let's see if it will do that. No issue. No issue. Now, if I was doing it on a table, you could get a better line. I'm just showing you that it will work. You know what? I'm not going to do those shorts because they're good gardening shorts. And if it does this, it's going to do that. So yeah, it will do fabric. It will do fabric, no issue whatsoever. I've now got some more cleaning rags for when I do my van and give it its yearly clean. I don't, I'll take it to the car wash. So yeah, this thing's actually more useful than just cardboard. A lot of people say it's a box cutter, cardboard and that. It will do. Oops, that was my fault. I don't want to cut the bed either. It will cut fabric, absolutely no issue whatsoever. So yeah, not just for cardboard. Pretty good. So battery life aside, do I like this thing? Well, yeah, I do. I do. I think it's a good product. It's got its uses. Obviously, some people say that they may say just get a pair of scissors. But if you've got problems with your hand, maybe you can't, you know, grip scissors tightly, or you can't push down, this may come in handy for you. Or if you just, you know, you're doing a project that involves a lot of cutting off excess material that you just want to slice through it, again, this could be quite good for you. Downside is going to be the battery, but there's not, you know, everything has a downside, doesn't it? This channel has a downside. It's got me in it. But yeah, I actually do like this. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with that. That's actually a good little gadget. So that is going to go in my keep pile of ever-growing things I'm actually keeping from Temu and AliExpress. Can't remember where this one came from. We'll look at that in a minute. But yeah, I do actually recommend this now. Now I've seen it in person, I do think it is well put together. I do think the motor is powerful enough. It seems to, you know, cut through things. It doesn't jam up. Cuts through things pretty easily. Yeah, man, I'm pretty happy with that. So that's another win. Anyway, that does it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Watching me cut up cardboard, it must have been riveting content. But no, I just wanted to actually see whether I've seen, as I said, I've seen other people use them. One person said they don't work, and a couple of people said they do. So I just wanted to see for myself. And it may be that person also had the problem with the disc jamming. That may be an issue. I will let you know as I keep using this whether that happens again or whether I was just unlucky. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to ask any questions about this cordless electric scissors, then please drop a comment as usual. Or if you've got any other suggestions, drop a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. Hopefully some good. Don't hold out on that though. Don't hold out on that. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here. I've got a lot of editing to do. I've recorded a lot of stuff this week, but I've not got anything out because just different things have happened in the evenings, my editing time, that has kind of stopped me from editing videos. So I've got a lot to come out. So next week there will probably be 5 videos. Just this week, unfortunately, there's been 1, which has done really well. But I'm just annoyed that I've not been able to release any more this week. So I do apologise about that. Just a few things that were out of my control this week. But that is enough of that. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go to work in a minute and deliver some lovely parcels to people. And then I will see you guys very, 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 very. I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye for now, guys.